Hi lovelies, let's make some ero, a Cameroonian delicacy from the southwest region of Cameroon, specifically from the Bayangi people. Oh yes, watafufu and ero has become a nationwide delicacy. You won't find an occasion in Cameroon without this meal being prepared. And anyone who tries this meal for the first time ends up falling in love with it. My dear Nigerian community, this is not afang soup. This is Cameroonian ero. Not iru, but ero. And we begin by boiling our protein of choice. We are using beef and cow skin. So you can use any proteins of your choice. So we cook till about 90% done. And we ensure there is no water left in the meat, else you take it out. And then we proceed to add in our water leaf. So we cook our water leaf. If your water leaf ends up producing so much water, ensure to reduce the water from the water leaf. So as you can see, our water leaf has cooked down and we don't have so much water in our water leaf. We give that a quick stir and it's time to come in with our ero. So we add in our ero and we give it a good mix to combine the ero and the water leaf well. So we take our time to give it a good mix. Guys, if it's your first time on this channel, you are most welcome. Hit the subscribe button below to join this amazing community. We have a lot to share on this space. And please kindly give this video a like. Hit the like button below. That is so important to me. Thank you. So we proceed to add in seasoning cube as well as some salt. Please always be very mindful when adding salt into ero. It's better you add in your salt bit by bit and taste because the least excess salt spoils the soup. So we gently stir in our salt and seasoning cube to combine well. And after that, it's time to come in with the most important ingredient in ero, which is crayfish. You need to be generous with the amount of crayfish you add into ero because this is what gives that beautiful, amazing taste to your ero. And then we come in with our palm oil. Palm oil is the only liquid to be found in ero. So you need to be generous with the amount of palm oil you add in your ero. So at this point, we cover the pot and let the oil cook. So we actually let that cook for about 5 to 7 minutes and then it's time to give it that good stir. Guys, at this point, the aroma is just mind-blowing. The aroma in my kitchen at this moment is just divine. So we give this a very good mix at this point. Have you liked this video? Have you given us a like? Please hit the like button below to support this video. YouTube made it free of charge. Liking is absolutely free of charge. Hit that like button below. Thank you. As you can see, this meal is so easy to prepare. And then no exaggerated spices are needed. The soup is so natural and so healthy as well. If you're on a weight loss journey as well, this soup is so great for you. So at this point, we taste to adjust our seasoning. I tasted and to tell you the truth, everything is just okay. But as you can see, we have some liquid in the soup and our oil is not really popping up. So we have to add in a little more oil and then we cook again for some time to dry up the little liquid we have in the soup. Like I said before, the only liquid found in ero should be palm oil. So we cook a little more to at least cook up the added palm oil and equally dry up the remaining water in our ero. So at this point, we cover and cook for another 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, voila, we are good to go. As you can see, our soup is well cooked and the little water is all dried up. And we will be having this delicious soup with some watafufu. Watafufu is made from fermented cassava. And it's time for us to serve and enjoy this delicious delicacy. You can equally choose to pair this delicious soup with any swallow of your choice, like oatmeal swallow, some gari, or just any swallow of your choice, and you're good to go. Take a look at our delicious delicacy, wata fufu and eru. Guys, this meal is so outstanding. It's so natural, flavorful, healthy, and delicious. And it's equally good for all age groups, children, adults. In fact, this soup is so amazing. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. If you are a lover of African delicacies, stay glued to this channel for more is yet to come. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.